Hey, what's going on? And thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Amber, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to clean your laminate floor naturally. Most importantly, I'm going to share with you my 3-step system to getting it done without any residue, any film, and most importantly, no grime will get left behind. So if that is completely up your alley, consider subscribing. So for some of you who are new and don't know how we do things on this channel, I literally tell you all the things you need, such as equipment and tools, and we use a lot of sustainable, eco-friendly supplies. So if you care about the planet, go ahead and like this video. In the meantime, the tools that you're going to need is any cleaning solution, such as a pH neutral, a DIY. If you want me to make a DIY video just talking about a laminate floor cleaner that I would recommend, then go ahead and leave that in the comments below on what you want to see. Now that you know what kind of solution you need to have, the other key components is having a damp microfiber cloth and or a combo wet microfiber cloth. In this tutorial, you'll see more of what I'm talking about as we go through the process step by step on how to clean your laminate flooring. Trust me, it's exciting. You're not going to want to miss it, and we're going to get started. So come clean with me. Now that you have all the equipment to get started, we're going to vacuum and or use a dry dust mop pad to remove any of the dust, any crumbs or things like that on your laminate flooring. And there are all types of vacuum cleaners you can use, but what I will recommend not to purchase is a beater bar vacuum cleaner. This is I use Zep pH neutral cleaner to clean the laminate flooring, and I use it sparingly. So I spritz the floor, which you see right here, spritzing the floor gingerly in all the areas I'm going to clean, and setting up that pattern is just amazing. And what I've learned is when I am cleaning the floor, I go in the pattern of the floor, where I start from top to bottom, and I follow this pattern. Whether I create it or not is going in one direction, and then I create a new pattern. And so this helps to make sure there's no film, there's no residue, and there's no debris or anything like that. And I scrub that area to remove any of the extra gunk. One little tip is you let the cleaning solution sit there for up to 30 seconds to remove that. And that is how you get her done. So now that you've seen step by step, pretty simple, right, on how to clean your laminate flooring and how to do it naturally, leaving no residue, no grime. Most importantly, if you haven't done so, go ahead and like and subscribe this video and share it with someone else who can get some value out of it too. In the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.